Gertrude. A sorry sight. Well, I'm gonna take you under my wing, and baby, you'll be all right. I was once a plain little bird like you, kid. One pathetic feather was all I grew. I had nothing show-offish. What's a plain bird to do? And there's certainly nothing show-offish on you.
Thank you, Mayzie.
Then I made a plan for my self-improvement. No more crumbs, I vowed I would have the cake. Yes, I went to the doctor.
Dr. Nick by the lake.
And he told me what sort of a pill I should take. Now, I'm amazing Mayzie, as feathered can be now. Amazing Mayzie, it was all for sale.
Amazing Mayzie.
The birds are all whistling at me now.
Amazing Mayzie.
Baby, that's my tale.
High or low.
Gee, it's fabulous.
Watch her go.
Gee, I'm envious.
To and fro. Maisie's fabulous.
I wish I had one like it.
Left and right.
Best I've ever seen.
Day or night.
You're turning green.
What they sight. Maisie's fabulous.
Get those pills.
Get the pills.
And you can have frills. Your heart is searching to see. And you could be amazing. Well, almost.